Today we are going to learn how to crochet this beret. The stitches I used for this beret are half double crochet, front post, double crochet, back post double crochet and slip stitch. So if you know these stitches, you can make this beret. I am using DK acrylic yarn. I used about 100 grams, a 3.75 millimeter hook, scissors and yarn needle. You can use any yarn that you want and the hook size recommended for that yarn. To start, we can either make a chain 3 or we can make a magic ring. So for this we are going to chain 3, go into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Going to chain 1 and make 9 half double crochet into that space. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Make 9 stitches or half double crochet into that space. To make a magic ring, take your yarn, wrap the yarn over the finger like this, and you're going to insert the hook into the yarn and pull a loop and twist in and chain 1. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. This is how a magic ring looks like, and you are going to make 9 half double crochet into that ring, and you are going to pull the ring after you made 9 half double crochet, and you are going to make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet. To start row 2, chain 2, and this will be the increase round. We are going to make 2 double crochet into each and every stitch of this row. You are going to make 2 double crochet into every stitch. So we are almost at the end. We're going to make 2 double crochet, and this is how it looks like. You are going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet of this round. So this is how it looks like. Don't bother with the space. We are going to hide that space after we made this beret. To start round 3, we are going to chain 2, and we are going to make a front post double crochet into the first stitch. To make front post, you put the hook into that stitch and make a double crochet. Into the next, we are going to increase 2 and make 2 double crochet. Into the next stitch, we are going to make a front post double crochet like so, and in the next we are going to increase. We are going to make 2 double crochet. Into the next, we are going to make front post double crochet. Into the next stitch, we are going to make 2 double crochet. Repeat that till you reach the end of round 3. we end round 3 in a increase, and you are going to slip stitch into the first stitch of the round 3, and this is how it looks like. For round 4 we are going to chain 2. Remember, chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Into the first front post we are going to front post double crochet, and we are also going to increase into here, that is before the double crochet and after the double crochet. Now we are going to make 1 double crochet, and into the 2 double crochet that we made in the previous row we are going to make this stitch, put the hook into that loop and into the other, and we are going to double crochet. This is like a back post, but it is with a little twist. Put the hook inside that stitch and into the other, and we are going to make a double crochet. Into the next we are going to make an increase, that is make 1 double crochet. Into the next make front post double crochet, and we are going to make double crochet into that space between the front post and the double crochet, and we are going to make another stitch that looks like this. Make another one, and after that you are going to make a double crochet. Make a front post double crochet into the next, make a double crochet, and we are going to repeat that till you reach the end of the round. At the end of round 4 we are going to slip stitch into the first stitch of this row of this round. Chain 2 for round 5. We are going to make a front post double crochet into the first stitch. Into the next we are going to make an increase, that is 1 double crochet. We are going to make a kind of back post double crochet, remember to make an increase, that is 1 double crochet, and make a front post double crochet. So we are going to repeat this, make an increase 1 double crochet, a kind of back post double crochet, and at the end you are going to make another increase, that is 1 double crochet, and you are going to make a front post double crochet into the front post double crochet. Repeat this till you reach the end of the round, and you are going to make a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. This is how round 5 looks like. To start round 6, we are going to chain 2 and repeat what we did in round 5. Make a front post double crochet, make an increase in between the front post double crochet and the double crochet from the previous row. Make that tricky back post double crochet, and you are going to make an increase in between these double crochet and the front post double crochet. Remember, after each and every round you are going to have an increase of 2, and we are going to repeat this round again and again till you reach the length that you want. I made about 10 rounds and of this increase, and we are going to meet after that. Now I made 10 rounds in total, and in between this front post double crochet we have, and the other front post double crochet we have 16 double crochet. For row 11 and 12 we are not going to increase, we are just going to make a front post double crochet, and we are not going to make the increase in that space. We were only going to make that tricky back post double crochet in each of the tricky back post double crochet from the previous row. And when you reach at the front post double crochet, you are going to make a front post double crochet, and you repeat this for round 11 and 12, and we will meet after that. So I'm at the end of round 12, and this is how the beret looks like so far. For rounds 13 to 16 we are going to make decreasing rounds. So chain 2, make a front post double crochet, and we are going to skip this first stitch. We are not going to make any increase, but skip this and make the tricky back post double crochet into the next stitch. When we reach this part, we are going to skip this last double crochet and make a front post double crochet into the other front post double crochet, and we are going to repeat that. Skip that first stitch and the last stitch between the front post and the front post double crochet, and we are going to make this till round 16. We are going to meet after that. So I have made 16 rows in total, and this is how the beret looks so far. For row 17 and 18, we are not going to increase or decrease, but make front post double crochet, and we are going to make that tricky back post double crochet into each and every stitch, and repeat that process again and again till you reach round 18. This is how round 18 looks like. Now we are going to make the brim of our beret. Chain 2 and make a front post double crochet into the first stitch. Into the second stitch we are going to make a front post double crochet. Into the next we are going to make a back post double crochet, and into the next we are going to make back post double crochet. Make 2 front post double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and make 2 back post double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and you are going to repeat this till you reach the end of the row. Make 2 front post double crochet, 2 back post double crochet, and repeat that till you reach the end of the row. We are at the end of round 19, and for round 20 we are going to chain 2 and make front post double crochet into the front post double crochet, and back post double crochet into the back post double crochet. Repeat this for 3 more rounds, and we are going to finish this beret. I made 5 rows in total for the brim. Now we are going to cut the yarn. We are going to hide the yarn tail using a yarn needle. After you are done hiding the yarn tail, you are going to cut in, and that is all. I'm done now with the beret. This is how it looks like. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and comment down below, and also subscribe to see more tutorials like this. That is all. Thank you.